Getting echo or delay in OBS. Here's how to fix your audio in under 2 minutes. No more frustration, just clear sound. First, go to Settings in OBS. Then click on Audio. For desktop audio, choose your headphones or your default speakers. Under Mic Auxiliary Audio, select your main microphone. Make sure to disable any unused or duplicate audio sources to avoid double input issues. Next, go to Edit, then Advanced Audio Properties. This is where the magic happens. Set your microphone to monitor off. This stops that weird looping or delayed feedback. If you're streaming, set your desktop audio to monitor and output. Also, make sure the sync offset is set to 0, unless you're intentionally syncing your mic with a webcam delay. Still getting echo? Use headphones. That prevents your mic from picking up the sound from your speakers. Also, make sure you're not using both your webcam mic and your main mic at the same time. Disable one to avoid audio doubling or phasing. Now your audio should sound clean and crisp. No more echo, no more delay. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.